You want your teeth brushed? You want your teeth brushed? You want your teeth brushed? Let's go get your toothbrush. Let's go get your toothbrush. Let's go. Get your toothbrush. What's in here? Still. Hold still. What do I got? What do I got? What do I got? Huh? Oh, just a second. Wrong toothbrush. That's Mommy's toothbrush. Oh, here we go. You ready? You want your teeth brushed? Let's go get them. Okay, just a second, just a second.
It's so good having you home.
Got it?
It's so hard to be alone. How
You ready?
For this house. Honey, you're not alone. That's why you moved to Foxway for me, remember? So we be close. And you have Ethan. Okay, speaking of.
Okay.
He's inside.
Come here.
Ethan, come say hi to your grandma. Grandma.
Hold on.
Hi. Oh.
Other side.
That's how you greet your grandma.
And how do you greet your grandma?
Front. We can do front.
Cookies, of course. Think you could help us first?
Hold on. Let's get the back ones.
I was visualizing where things go inside. Mom said since I'm the man of the house now, I can help organize our new place.
I bet you've already ordered.